Yeah.
What's your name?
Amy. A-M-Y.
A-M-Y.
May autograph ako from Ryan Agancillo. I need to feel good vibrations as in. Dapat positive, di ba? Positive things. Para, yan, optimism. Davao, Philippines, watch out. I'll be the first Philippine idol.
Amy Lynn?
Amy Lynn.
Amy Lynn.
Can I just put this slam book on your table? I want to have your autograph after.
Sure, sure.
Right.
Okay.
Figure it's
Better.
yes.
You are a model.
An image model.
Okay.
Here in Davao. There's this New Jersey studio for pictorials. And they got me as picture of the month, model of the month.
Ah,
Okay.
good.
Sige, good luck, Amy.
You don't have to say you love me. Just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever. I will understand. Believe me, I can't help but love you. But believe me, I'll never tie you down.
The voice is not strong enough. We need strong singers with voices who are already very developed na siya and very stable, okay?
The voice is not yet there to be able to go to Manila and compete.
Okay, Emilyn, I guess better luck next time.
Dilit ko pang Philippine Idol, pang American, so watch out.
Mabuti pa, kilalanin na lang muna natin si Myla.
Single mother ako. Ako lang mag-isa, tinutulungan ako ng family ko para taguyin yung anak ko. Actually, baby pa. Tapos, syempre, inspirasyon ko siya sa lahat. Kasi binago niya talaga ang buhay ko, yung perspective ko sa buhay. Gusto ko rin yung parents ko naging proud of me, maahon yung pamilya ko sa hirap. Dito ba? Dito ba? Dito ba? Dito ba ang dapat kong kalagyan sa isang sulok kong hiram sa ilalim ng araw? Kung saan kay lalim ng luha, ligaya'y kay babaw. Dito ba takda sa ilalim ng araw.
Wow. I like your voice, Myla.
That's an honor coming from you, sir.
I like her.
Ang galing, ano?
Ang galing.
Thank you po.
Kailangan, magpapayat siya konti bago dumating sa Manila.
I'll do anything.
Oh, see.
Anything.
I like her, Mr. C.
Francis.
I like her.
Ako, mapayat,
Okay lang sa'yo.
mataba, magaling ka, pwede ka sa second round.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Philippine Idol. As in, you really will help me to make my dreams come true, as in.
Pero sino kaya sa kanila ang mas kaaliwan ng ating judges?
Mukhang itong durian napaka-challenging kainin. Pero ang taga Davao, since sanay na dito, tingin ko ang mga comments ng judges parang durian candy na lang sa kanila. What you think?
She walks like she talk and... Iba't ibang talento, iba't ibang trip at gimmick. Akala namin di na kami masisindak. Yun pala, may itinatago pang panggulat sa Philippine Idol ang mga taga Davao.
I will be the first Philippine Idol. Gusto ko talagang sumikat Gusto kong kapatunayan sa kanila na may talent ako. At sa pamamagitan ng Philippine Idol, dito ko siya ipapakita.
Neil!
Yes.
High school ka pa lang?
Yes po. 16 years old, 4th year high school.
Oh, ba?
Sige nga, pakita
Okay.
natin kung
Sige.
anong meron ka sa na maging Philippine Idol.
Swing low, sweet chariot. Oh no, swing down cherry, won't you? Let me ride on, swing
Stop and let me ride. Sweet as Africana, side by side, oh, swing, swing. I've got a home, you going home. Swing low and let me ride. Oh, no, 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 no. Hey.
Marami ako nakikitang kahayupan eh.
Saan?
Una, kambing yung... Tapos naging ibon. Kambing na ibon. Iba, style mo, Neil. Practice pa, Neil.
Next time ka na lang, Dong, ha?
I like you.
That's right.
I like that talent. But that is not for Philippine Idol.
Nung nakita ko si Neil, bigla akong naalala. Si Pau sa Luzon audition. Balikan nga natin yung sinabi niya.
Never kong sinabi na ganito, pero pinakita ko lang kung ano. Yun, ganun. Eventually, yung nanay ko, natanggap niya. Kaya nga nung, yun, nagsastart na ako magka-gig, ganyan. Tinanong siya ng friends ko, Tita, ikaw, kung papipiliin ka, gusto mo ba si Pau? Baka girl pa siya, o ganyan na. Wag na, okay na siya dyan. Okay na siya, ganyan siya. Okay na sa kanya.
Pati na rin ang sinabi ni Yova sa audition sa Visayas.
When people find out that I'm not a girl, I just find it funny because it's not my intention to be a girl, but it's just a way of expressing myself. So, yeah, it would depend on how people take it.
Sexual preference or their gender is never an issue for me.
Actually, hindi naman kami yung pipili na kung sino mananalo eh. Yung taong pipili na kung sino manalo.
Kung magaling, walang problema sa amin kung siya ay tomboy, kung siya ay lesbian, kung siya ay bakla.
Yun pala naman, Mariani eh. Talent ang basihan at hindi kasarian.
Nakakabahan po ako ngayon. Pero masaya kasi haharap ako sa 3 matinding mga judges. Komportable naman po ako pero hindi po ako sanay magsuot ng ganitong gown. Hintayin niyo ako dyan. I will be the first Philippine Idol. Love takes time to heal when you're hurting so much. Couldn't see that I was blind to let you go. I can't escape the pain inside. 'Cause love takes time. I don't wanna be here, and I don't wanna be here alone.
I like the energy, no? It's very professional already. You have just some problems. Sa umpisa, parang hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung sinasabi mo eh. Parang kinakain mo ng konti yung words mo. Tapos mamaya medyo okay naman yung boses mo. But it takes a lot more to be Philippine Idol.
Okay, before I give my decision, I would like to commend your nice shoes. It fits your gown, huh? Very punk.
Grabe.
Makanta ka sa band.
Actually po, nag-heels po ako. Tapos, pagpasok ko po dito, tinanong ako ni Ryan kung comfortable ba ako sa suot kong heels. Sabi ko, medyo hindi. Kaya sabi niya, baka makadadag ng to, magpalit ka ng boots.
Sisihin mo si Ryan mamaya.
Bakit?
Sabunutan mo.
Si Ryan.
Amita, what's your decision?
It's a no for me also.
It's a no. Okay,
Yeah.
Mariani.
She can join again.
Sorry, no, that's 2-0. So, better luck next time.